Hey boys and girls, how are y'all today? Coach Brashear here, and I'm going to introduce to you our fitness video series, okay? So this video is going to be actually a two-part video, and it's going to focus on push-ups. So we've got 8 different types of push-ups, plus a bonus for those of you that want to challenge yourselves, okay? And this progresses from something that's super simple that we might practice with kinder, first, second grade, and then it progresses to more advanced push-ups for those of you in third, fourth, fifth grade. And it'll help you get your muscles stronger. It helps your muscles right here in your chest, okay, called your pectoral muscles. Helps your tricep muscles on the back of your arm. And then the rest of your muscles in your body, pretty much every muscle is being used during a push-up, okay? And then the rest of your muscles are stabilizing your body, but this really focuses on your pectoral muscles in your chest, your tricep muscles in the back of your arm. Okay, so the very first one is called a sleepy push-up. Now, a sleepy push-up is very simple. You're going to get in push-up position, and you're just going to lower yourself down and go to sleep. And then come back up, lower down, and go to sleep. Okay, so that's push-up number 1. Super simple. Okay, it'll help if you don't know how to do a full push-up just yet. It'll get your muscles a little bit stronger. So as you get older and as you do that more often, it'll become easier to push yourself back up and do a real push-up. Okay, number 2 is called a plank. This one is pretty much, you may not have heard this, but it's very simple. You just get in a push-up position and you just hold yourself there as long as you can, okay? And the more you do it, the more challenging it becomes. And the more you do, the more often you do that, I should say, the easier it'll become. You can challenge yourself to hold a 15-second long plank, 30-second long, maybe you get up to a minute even, or further. Okay, so that's something you can challenge yourself with as well. The next type of push-up is really fun. This is one we do a lot with kinder and first grade. It's called ABC push-ups. So in an ABC push-up, you get in push-up position, and you're gonna alternate your hands back and forth. So you're gonna go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You probably want to watch me do the whole thing, but coach is kind of getting tired, so you guys can do the rest of that on your own. But that's called the ABC push-ups, and you can try it with the alphabet, you can try it with counting numbers, you could try it by naming out your favorite colors and shapes. So there's a few different ways you could do that type of push-up. And then the last one we're going to focus on for this first part of this video series is called the wakey push-up. So the very first one, lower yourself down. Oh goodness, I got so tired I fell asleep. The wakey push-up, you're just going to get in this position and push yourself up. Lay down, push yourself back up. Now keep in mind, when you push yourself back up, your hands want to be underneath your shoulders, okay? And you want your feet back there, hands beneath your shoulders, so you can do a good push-up. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that wraps it up for the first of our push-up video series. So hopefully you learned a little bit about that and you can get a little stronger for the next time we see you. Have a great day.